Alright, so today we're going to talk about combinations, and combinations is a method to find the number of ways to pick k objects from n total objects. So let's take a look at an example here. The example is, how many ways can you choose a committee of 3 people from a group of 6? And this is really straightforward. We're just going to go ahead and use the formula. And the formula is written with this notation with these parentheses, and we have n total objects and we want to pick k of them, and that's just equal to n factorial divided by n minus k factorial times k factorial. So let's go ahead and apply that to our original problem. So we have 6 total people. We want to choose 3 people for our committee. That's just equal to 6 factorial over 6 minus 3 factorial times 3 factorial. And we can go ahead and just expand this out. Factorials are really easy to cross out things top and bottom. So let's go ahead and see how that works out. So we have this, just a definition of a factorial, and then 6 minus 3 is 3 factorial, so I'm just going to go ahead and write that out, times another 3 factorial. Okay, and so we have all these things multiplied and together and divided together, so we can just cross these out, and 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 6, so that's just equal to 20. So there are 20, and I'm going to scroll this down. Alright, so there are 20 total ways to pick 3 people from a group of 6. And just to prove to you that this formula works, let's think of an easier example that you can come up with in your head. How many ways are there to pick 6 people from a total committee of 6? So hopefully we get the answer to be 1 using our formula. So we have 6 factorial over 6 minus 6 factorial times 6 factorial. And we get 6 factorial. I'm not going to expand this one out. It'll be simpler like this, times 0 factorial, and we also have 6 factorial, and of course 0 factorial is equal to 1, so since we're multiplying everything, that just, 1 is out, and 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial is equal to 1, so we're done.